So any JavaScript code, you can pass it here. This is the one of the JavaScript code. So I can pass a different JavaScript code. Accept.
From where do I get these method? Like, do we have
No, these are all, standard. Okay. So if you know JavaScript, you will understand. But a lot of JavaScript, we should know a little bit JavaScript. Then only you will come to me. But yeah, I'm going to explain. These are the things you will use generally in our automation. But I'm saying if you want to do any JavaScript code execution, you have to use this. So that means Java code inside you are executing JavaScript code.
Okay, that's why we use the JavaScript executor
interface.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the purpose of JavaScript executor interface.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So now most important and very important code, how to find the broken links, how to find the broken images. So this code will work for you if there is a href attribute for that elements. If href attribute is not there, this code doesn't work out. So let's find out how to do that. Even in our web page, we have so many, right? So many
links
are there. So all those links, so you can, this is our website. So image. Yeah, this is our website. You can see, see, these are all links also. Even if you go to home page, see in the home page, these are also links. So all these links, whether they are working or not, it will find out. So I'm going to get entire page links. How to get entire page links? First of all. How? Fetch entire page links. Ayyo. I already told this. Why you are not reading? Okay. List web element. Action name equal to driver dot find element. Not find element. Find elements. So please catch it. Just use a common sense here. What is that? Is a group of links you are fetching. A group means find elements method we have to use. Very simple, the singular and plural, and just very easy to remember also. If single element means find element method. If many elements means find elements method. So easy, yes. It's very, very beautifully developed, those methods. Really, I love those methods because it's very easy to remember also. You don't need to struggle also. If you know English singularity and plurality, and this is not a big deal. Even you don't need to read also there. If you just apply the little bit common sense. Other than that, nothing. And I already told, single means one you can store in the variables. Multiple means, I told you, we don't know number of elements, always collection concept you have to use. This is where in the interviews in the US, they're asking very deeply, where you have used collections. Give me an example. That's what the kind of, interrogation they're doing here. They're grilling like anything on the code side, and also your Java. They're testing your Java very deeply, how strong you are in Java. So that's why I'm telling Java is a very, very crucial. So go and attend, next batch also is going on, right? Once our batch is done, if you still not clear on the Java concepts, you need to spend 90% on Java only. If you know Java, Selenium is a dead easy. Nothing. Every concept, methods, variables, data types, collections. These are the things only we'll use in the Selenium. And strings. So again, methods, how to write the methods. I told you, see, we have written a method here, right? See, we have written a methods. You should know how to create methods. So parameterized methods, void methods, what is mean by void? These are the concepts very, 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 very important. See here, everywhere methods only. Everywhere methods only. Everywhere. See, method inside another method as an argument. See, this method inside again another method. See, the methods is the one of the highly used topic. Highly used topic. Okay. Now let's move on to the broken links. How can you find a broken links? So let's write a small code. I'll take a same thing. So this one only I can take it, not a problem.
What is meant by broken links?
Okay, that's a good question, right? So a link which doesn't work, which throws 404 error or page not found. You will see this kind of errors, right? Those are called broken links or broken images. So if the general in the network tab calls, you will get a 200 status code for all the elements which are loading in the page. But something, if it is broken, you will get a 404 not found. Okay, I think I explained in the REST API.
Yes.
REST API covered all this point. So that is the one you are going to apply here. So let's go and see how to find a link is broken or not. So let's take scroll only I'll take. Okay, this code only I'll take, copy, but I'll change it to broken links. But I don't want all these things, right? I don't need all these things. So I'll remove everything. I don't need this. Even I don't need this. But I'm going to write a method that is show. So what is the method? This method is going to validate private static void verify URLs. So string, you have to pass for this method, URL you have to pass. So you have to pass the which URL, if you give that URL, it will validate. So first step is step 1, create object for URL class. So URL UL equal to new
URL.
So that you pass the URL as a parameter. So that's a constructor. So just where this class is available. This class is available in java.net package. So that's it. And it will ask you add throws declaration, add the throws declaration. So now, so next step 2, open the connection, okay? So open the connection. The connection is, see, ul dot open connection. But so this is going to give HTTP URL connection HC equal to this one. HTTP URL connection change to HTTP URL connection here. So you can see this. And here you typecast it. So that's the one. So add throws declaration, IO exception it is throwing. That's the second step. Step 3, Step 3, connect to the given URL. How to connect? hc.connect method is there. This will connect to that URL. So whatever the URL you are passing for this method, right? This method will, this URL will be connected. So once you connected, and now fetch the status code, okay? Fetch the status code. So status code is int, okay? Int response status code equal to hc dot get. So you can see get response code, get connect timeout, get connection length, content length, get allow user interaction, get content to. So all this we have to find out. Get. So response code. And next one is, so if you want a message, fetch the response message. Get response message. And now, so we can say this. If, write the status, now condition you have to write. If, so
response status code.
If response status code is equal to 200, then what we need to say?
It's not a broken.
Say URL is working fine.
Fine.
So, and also you can print the status code, response status code. What status code? Plus response message if you want. Response, okay, I have to give response message. Just no, not response. Okay. Else, if, so response status code
To
is
400.
equal to 404. Then you can say, so it is broken. Is broken. Okay. Then you can write what are the, you can increase these conditions, okay, based on which one you want to test it. Or you can put it here, greater than or equal to 4, but we want broken means 404 only. You have to use. That's the main thing. Okay. Now, fetch all the links from web page. List web element links list equal to, so the fixed code. This is the fixed code. You should not forget also. Okay, you should not forget. So by dot tag name, yeah. So this is the one. Next. So you got a collection. So iterate it to get the URL, because we want to validate each URL, right? That means each link URL. So you write the web element. So the link colon
Links list.
Get the each link URL. So string so URL equal to link dot. How can you get the URL of the link?
Get current URL.
Link is what, ma? Link is a what
Get
is that?
attribute of href.
Get attribute
Get
of
attribute of href.
That is the one, right? So get current URL is browser related, but you are
Yes.
giving here element. Just
Get
get the
attribute of
difference of that, okay? Get the difference of that. And you have to give
href.
Already explained again, so you should not forget these things, okay? So that's not good.
Okay.
So I covered all this in theory, I covered, and practicals I covered. Again, I'm calling one more time. And if you forget still, that's not good at all. So it will iterate for all the links. Okay, so let's run this. That's so easy. Okay, so you don't need to go and click it. It will give very, very fast. Manually, how many you will click? If if the URL has a href, so easy. If the URL doesn't have href, that's a bit difficult. So what is happening? See, all the links it is finding out. You can see, so you can go, and if any 404 is there, you can file the bug, and you can so easy, or right, or you can run the script and file the bug. That's it. Our life is so easy. See, 200 okay, 200 okay, 200 okay, 200 okay. All these are working. That's why 200 okay. 200 okay, 200 okay. 200 okay. Okay? Are we cool? That's it. Same, let's finish quickly. One more. Broken images, how to find. So you will do, or you want, so I want to do this also. Broken images. But I'll take a different website, okay? You can do this also, but thing is, I need to show broken images. That's why. This code is fixed. This code is fixed. You don't need to change. Only change comes here only. So the URL I want to take here is, here also we have images. You can apply this also here also, but still I want to go Heroku app. The internet Heroku app. It's the website. So this for practice, you can practice all the code you can practice here. So see here, broken images. You have to click on broken images. These are the broken, and this is the working one. So let's apply for this. And I will just go back. I'll open this URL. I'm not doing anything great here. Okay. Just so page title, internet. How can you fetch? Oh, I need to click on that, right? Next, I need to click on. So what is that broken images link? Click on broken images link. So driver dot
Find element of by dot link text
Hmm.
of
link
link
text.
text of.
So let's use partial link text. We didn't use partial link text, right?
Okay.
110
Broken
We used it already.
dot click.
So I'll use partial. Okay.
Okay, images.
So it will go to next page. So wait for the
condition.
Wait for the next page URL. So wait dot until expected
conditions dot
URL contains.
URL
I'm going to give next page URL. So if I click on this, so this is the one I'm going to give. Partial. How can you fetch? Fetch all the images. How can you fetch all the images? How can you fetch all the images from web page?
Images.
How can you fetch? What is the change
using
for links and
using
images?
list only, no?
So SRC.
Source.
SR,
I get a tribute
tag name
source.
is SRC, sir.
SRC.
Here the value is SRC.
Using source attribute.
First of all, how can you fetch all the images? That's my question.
IMG tags.
That's what, right? How can you, without fetching the images, how can you go to source first?
Okay.
First root is not there and you are going for branch. How is it possible? Just think that. So that same, right? That no links A you used. That means tag used A. And for images IMG, that's very simple, right?
Yes.
Little bit you have to apply, madam. So your thought process has to change. And here the attribute will come.
Yes, yes.
As you told, SRC attribute will come. So that will pass it. That's all. Run this. No changes much. That's it. You can scroll and see the result. See this. This link is broken. This link is broken. That's why 404 not found. This link is working and this link is working. So that's the beauty of this. So code. That's all. We are pretty much good with all the concepts. And tomorrow we can start the JUnit framework. So I have covered the links. I have covered the screenshots, how to take cookies I covered. And I have covered scrolling, how to scroll the particular element. I have covered how to scroll for particular, using keys, how to do, I have shown you. And we covered the drop down. We have covered the, so what else? Get attribute, get elements methods is displayed, is enabled, is selected, how to use I have covered. So all the methods, whatever I discussed, I have covered already. You are pretty much good on that. So any questions before closing? Tomorrow we'll start the unit.
Okay. Sir, what's the timing for next